How to create a Steam account on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. So let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Google in your mobile device and in the search bar, search for Steam. Now head over to the first link on your interface, that is store.steampowered.com. That will take you to the official web page of Steam. Now once you land on this interface, navigate to the three-line icon from the top left corner. From here, tap on Login again and scroll down a bit, and there you'll find an option as Create an Account. Tap on Create an Account. Now, to get started to create your account, first of all, enter your email address. Under that, confirm your email address, and under that, you have to choose a country of residence. Automatically, Steam will scan your location on your mobile device and select a country based on your location. If not, choose a country of residence. Scroll down a bit and then tap on this option that says I'm not a rover to verify your reCAPTCHA. Under that, there is a terms and agreement. So tap on it and make sure to check that checkbox. After that, tap on continue. Now your verification email will be sent to your email or Gmail address to verify your account. So open up Gmail in your mobile device and you will receive a mail from Steam. So simply tap on verify my email address. Now once your mail is verified or once your email address is verified, go back and open up this Steam to continue the process. Now you get to create your Steam account name. So create your account name. Under that, you can create a password. Make sure you create an account name that is available. Then create a password and then confirm your password. Once you're done with that, tap on this done option, and with that you have created a Steam account on your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.